sound that you ever heard, a baby giggle or a sweet songbird, a waterfall or your mother's call, a Christmas carol or your father stuck in a bad road, ocean surf at night or the angel of light, the church bell of a marriage or the hooves of a horse-drawn carriage. Lately I love the snore of my dog next to me. After a day of adventure, there's a certain all of these things, sample of a spirit we shall see. God's voice as thunder eternally. Thousands of his angels sing perfectly, and Jesus speaks free fraternally. I will go there, yeah, we'll go there, but I'll take my time. Sometimes life's not fair, my dog's not really mine. She's a gift of God given